Sure. Here, try.
Oh, it's still recording.
Sorry.
Kenzie, you can't open that. It's bigger than you.
We can have her try to open tear some. You gonna tear some? Come Look at that! Look at Uncle Timmy made you.
Wow.
Wow.
What do you think, Kenzie? It's your very own toy box.
That's awesome.
Oh, sorry.
That's
It's your very own toy
great.
box.
I like it.
Thank you, Uncle Timmy.
Well, she needed a place to put all her toys, as Tammy had said.
Look, she's very grateful.
Oh, yes.
That's
Oh,
your
yes.
toy box.
Because I like this so much, I will poop on your leg.
Not yet.
Soon though.
Soon I can feel it. Just get it right here.